This is a 2010 Cadillac SRX. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a performance package, power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, cooled seats, a DVD player, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a navigation system, 20-inch wheels, a power rear liftgate, leather and wood steering wheel trim, a rear spoiler, front fog lights, roof rails, OnStar, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Johnson Sewell Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3301 Highway 281 North in Marble Falls.